In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use DeepSeek to solve complex mathematical problem. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. My name is Isaac and this is A Minute with AI. Alright, let's get into it. Now, I have here a screenshot of a mathematical problem that I'd like DeepSeek to go ahead and solve for me. So there are two ways you can get your problem solved by DeepSeek, either by just copying and pasting the mathematical question in DeepSeek one by one and then ask it to give you the response. Alternatively, you can as well, if you have it in form of a screenshot like I have one here, you can upload the screenshot in DeepSeek and then ask DeepSeek to extract the information before we can solve that problem. So to get started, go to DeepSeek, and once you are on DeepSeek, sign up or create your account. If you don't have, this is a free account, and then head over to this file icon, tap on it, and this will take you to your computer where you can find your screenshot. So mine is here. I'll tap on it and then I'll get to upload it. From here, I'll go ahead and ask DeepSeek to extract the information. So I've just asked DeepSeek to extract the information from the photo. So I'll go ahead and then see what will come out. And here we go. The information has been extracted. Now, don't worry if you can't see the drawing. It's because most of these AI models can't draw, but they can read through the image. And from this question, you can see we have to find the length of AC and also find angle BAC. So let's go ahead and see if DeepSeek will do exactly that. And here is our feedback. DeepSeek went ahead and calculated the length of AC and found it is 4.1 centimeters. And then also it went ahead and gave us angle BAC and it found it is 61 degrees. So, and you can see how it arrived at each one of them here. So you can try as many questions as possible and then DeepSeek will surely calculate and give you answers. However, you have to be careful to go through and make sure that everything is accurate, because sometimes these AI chatbots sometimes might make some slight errors. So that's how you can do it. And now, if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please like it and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.